Hello, good evening everybody. Welcome to Bangkok, Thailand. This is Suvarnabhumi International Airport, Bangkok. For most travelers, this is where adventures begin. My name is Hassan. I have been living in Thailand for 5 years. In this vlog, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes travelers make in first hours after landing Bangkok and how to avoid them. First things to know, Bangkok has two main airports, Suvarnabhumi Airport, BKK, Don Mueang Airport, MBK. So if you are traveling internationally, you most likely arrive here at Suvarnabhumi International Airport. But if you are traveling within Thailand like Phuket, Krabi, Pattaya and Chiang Mai, you might use Don Mueang International Airport. Many travelers make mistake not to prepare at immigration. After landing, you will go through immigration where many travelers mess up. Immigration office usually asks 3 questions. Where are you going to stay? How long will you stay? And do you have a return ticket? If you are quickly and confidently answer, you are good to go. But if you are hesitant and unsure, you will be assigned for more screening. Once you pass immigration, you will be arriving here in this main hall. The first thing, exchange money. Here is the mistake. Don't exchange all your cash here. Yes, rates are in Thailand better than in your home country, but usually the best rate is in the city. Just exchange some small amount for transport, for meal, for the rest of stay. ATM is your best friend. If you don't want to carry your all cash, this is where everywhere you will find ATM. Just it's simple to you, just insert your card and withdraw Thai baht. It will just charge a bit. This is the best way you can use it if you don't want to carry your cash. Next up for the SIM cards and sometimes overpaying for the SIM. So you will see outside at airport selling the tourist SIM. It's sometimes convenient, but sometimes it is overpriced. It's up to you. If you're staying for a short time, go for tourist SIM. It is simple and easy and quick. But if you're staying for a long time, go to get a prepaid SIM card in the city. It's more cheaper. There are two main companies for SIM in Thailand, True and Detect. Personally, I've been using for 5 years True. It is more cheaper and faster. So personally, I use it. I recommend for you to use True one. It's more easy and cheaper, and internet is a bit faster. Let's talk about transportation, where many people get scams. Bangkok is one of the best city in the world for its transportation communication system. So there are taxis, grabs, boards. But if you are using taxis, make sure to use the meter. If taxi driver isn't using the meters, just get away. It is scam. So if you're coming as a budget traveler, this airport link train is the best for you. It connects directly from this airport to in the city. It is very simple. It costs just 50 baht. How to use it? It's very simple. If you have a Thai cash, Thai baht, simply where are you going? If you know a city area like Sukhumvit, Nana, Central World, anywhere, you can just see here English and you can just see from anywhere. You just click it and put it your cash. If you're 1%, 2%, 3%, whoever, you can charge, you can put it and it will give you simple coin style. But if you're inconvenient to use this machine, there are the counters. You can get 50 baht ticket into the city. So this is the best budget for travelers. If you want to get airport link train, you have to come to the ground floor without exiting airport. This is where you can see this one down ground floor, where you can use a railway link train very easily and smoothly without traffic distraction. Here is the bonus tip: cheap price at airport. If you are feeling hungry after flight, mostly people go upstairs for the expensive food in expensive restaurants. Here is the hidden tip for you: is this is the food court in airport downstairs. Come just downstairs, you will see a lot of authentic Thai food with the lowest price. You will enjoy. Let's go check it out what we can see inside. So here is a point where you can see a lot of authentic Thai food with simply sitting easily. These prices usually start from 50 baht to 100 baht. You will see all authentic Thai food where people are just chilling and enjoy. Look at this menu, which is 50, 70, 75 baht. This is all over. You can see this is the food court downstairs in the airport, where you can see a lot of Thai cuisine, Thai authentic food, and this is totally worth it. If you are Muslim, here you can see halal food in the corner of this food court. When you're coming here this side, this is where you can see when you enter in for this side, and this is the corner where you can see halal authentic Thai food, biryani, curry, different type of Thai food that you can enjoy. The best price is 60, 70. This is authentic halal food. If you are going to somewhere, some other city directly from this airport, there are different cities: Pattaya, Koh Chang, Koh, and Hua Hin. Here are some transport system. Vans and buses are continuously going from this airport, Suvarnabhumi International Airport. This is the area downstairs next to the food court. This is where you can see and you can get the ticket directly. These buses will take you to the Pattaya and Hua Hin. Every single hour the buses are leaving from this side. There are also fee charging and sitting place here downstairs in this airport, where you can just relax and charge your phone easily. If you have any problem, any questions, these are the counters, information counters are available here at the top floor in departure side, outside departure. You can ask any questions if you are asking about the city, Thailand, or any scams happening with you. These are available all the time. So these are the biggest mistake most travelers make in their first hour. Just avoid these mistakes and make your trip smoother and stress-free and more enjoyable. So if this is helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe, like and share and make it more smoother your journey. So have a good day guys. See you with another vlog. God bless you.